Chapter 1. Food. Where does it come from? Let's revise what we learned in this chapter before we go to solve the questions. So, हमने इसमें पढ़ा वैरायटी ऑफ फूड. हमारे चारों ओर वैरायटी ऑफ फूड अवेलेबल है जो हम खाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सम पीपल ईट इडली, डोसा, चपाती, राइस, पुलाव, मीट, चिकन. Any food item is made up of single or multiple ingredient. So the material which makes up the food item is called ingredient. कोई भी food item जिन सारे material से मिलाकर बनाया जाता है उन्हें हम ingredients कहते हैं. These ingredients are obtained from two main sources, either plant or animal. प्लांट से हमें क्या मिलता है? प्लांट के डिफरेंट पार्ट से हमें इंग्रेडिएंट मिलते हैं. जैसे रूट से हमें कैरेट मिलता है, स्टेम से हमें पोटैटो मिलता है, लीफ से हमें स्पिनच, कैबेज मिलता है, फ्रूट से हमें कुकम्बर, पपाया, ऑरेंज, पंपकिन मिलता है, फ्लोरल बड से हमें क्लोव मिलता है. उसी तरह एनिमल सोर्सेस से हमें वेरियस प्रोडक्ट्स जैसे मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, पोल्ट्री प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, ये मिलते हैं. Animals are categorized based on what they eat. So some animals eat only grass और उन्हें हम herbivores कहते हैं. There are some animals which eat meat or flesh. They are called carnivores. And there are some animals जो grass भी खाते हैं और meat और flesh भी खाते हैं, उन्हें हम omnivores कहते हैं. So we will look at exercise from NCERT book, Chapter 1, Food. Where does it come from? Question 1. Do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? So the answer is no. All living beings do not need same kind of food. Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, vegetarians and non-vegetarian. The concepts very well explain that living beings have different needs and they eat different food. Question 2. Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. So 5 plants and their parts that we eat are plant brinjal, इसका हम फ्रूट खाते हैं, बैगन जो हम वेजिटेबल की तरह खाते हैं, स्पिनच, इसकी हम लीव्स को साग की तरह वेजिटेबल की तरह खाते हैं, मस्टर्ड, वी ईट लीफ और लीव्स ऑफ मस्टर्ड प्लांट एज वेजिटेबल एंड वी एक्सट्रैक्ट मस्टर्ड ऑयल, सरसों का तेल, फ्रॉम द सीड्स. पोटैटो, it's a stem and we eat it as vegetable. Carrot, it's a root और इसे हम अपने सैलड में या वेजिटेबल में बहुत पसंद करते हैं. Question 3. Match the items given in column A with that in column B. So you see there are two columns, column A and column B, and we have to match them. Milk, curd, paneer, ghee, they are all animal products. Spinach, cauliflower, carrot, they are all vegetables. Lions and tigers, they are carnivores and they eat other animals. Herbivores, they eat plants and they eat plant products. Question 4. Fill up the blanks with the words given. So there are certain words given and we have to fill them into the blanks that are there in the statements below. Tiger is a carnivore because it eats only meat. Deer eats only plant products and so is called herbivore. Parrot eats only plant products. The milk that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes, and goats, is an animal product. We get sugar from sugar cane. Sugar cane के stem से we get sugar. Now there are certain extra questions which are not in the NCERT book, but I have given them because they can come in your test. आपके टेस्ट में आ सकते हैं, आपके assignments में आ सकते हैं, आपके assessments में आ सकते हैं, and it is good for you to know them. Animals who eat plants, what are they called? Herbivores. Animals who eat other animals, what are they called? Carnivores. Animals who eat both plants and animals, what are they called? Omnivores. Materials needed to make any food item. Ingredients. The process by which green plants make their food. Photosynthesis. Common name for milk, curd, butter, cheese, khoya. They are called dairy products. Parts of plant which add flavor and taste to food, they are spices. Long, elaichi, dalchini. Edible grains obtained from cultivated grasses. They are cereals. Wheat, rice, sorghum. Seeds of leguminous plants are eaten as pulses. जितनी भी दालें हम खाते हैं, milk yielding animals, they are called milching animals. Cow, goat, buffalo. Sweet juices collected from flowers, nectar. Honeybee collects these juices, converts it into honey. Plant whose more than one part is eaten, banana, mustard. Banana, we eat the fruit of banana plant as fruit, केला खाते हैं, और इसका जो फ्लावर होता है उसकी हम वेजिटेबल बनाते हैं. Mustard, we eat leaves of mustard plant as vegetable, साग बनाते हैं, और इसके जो सीड्स होते हैं उससे हम सरसों का तेल, मस्टर्ड ऑयल एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं. All the best.